In a world where music is an essential part of our lives, finding the perfect audio companion can be a game changer. When it comes to versatility, a Bluetooth speaker with FM radio offers the best of both worlds. Whether you're tuning into your favorite radio station or streaming your music wirelessly, these devices provide an exceptional audio experience. In this article, we will explore the key factors to consider when choosing the best Bluetooth speaker with FM radio in 2023 and present you with a list of the top 5 options on the market. Number 1. Zenio X21 Portable Outdoor. The Zenio X21 Portable Outdoor Wireless Bluetooth speaker is a versatile audio powerhouse that combines stunning sound quality, durability, and a host of features to enhance your listening experience. This speaker boasts 15 watts power drivers and a digital signal processor, DSP, that deliver audio excellence. Whether you're enjoying your music at a low volume or cranking it up, the X21 maintains clarity in mids and highs while pumping out rich, distortion-free bass. The cylinder-shaped housing, coupled with aluminum passive radiators on each end, creates an immersive sound experience that fills the room. Built-in FM radio keeps you tuned in wherever you go, while the microSD card slot lets you bring your favorite songs with you. With Bluetooth 4.2 and an impressive 100-foot range, along with a no jack, it connects seamlessly to a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and MP3 players. Whether you're at home, traveling, or engaging in outdoor sports, this speaker has you covered. Number 2. Victrola FM Radio with Bluetooth Speaker. This isn't your typical radio. Victrola's retro radio with Bluetooth not only lets you enjoy AM/FM stations but also allows wireless streaming of your favorite tracks. It seamlessly combines vintage charm with modern features, making it a statement piece for your home or office. Measuring at 9.5 inches by 6.3 inches by 4.9 inches, this timeless radio packs a punch with its built-in stereo speakers. It delivers a full range of crisp sound reproduction and a vintage tonal quality without any distortions. Close your eyes, and you'll feel like you've time-traveled back to the 50s, all while enjoying a stunning retro design. Victrola understands the importance of control. This radio features a volume knob that cleverly doubles as a power button, making operation straightforward. You can effortlessly navigate through AM and FM stations with the built-in tuner, and the bass and treble knobs allow you to customize your listening experience. The knobs not only function beautifully but also exude a trendy antique vibe. Number 3. Tenmia Bluetooth speakers with FM radio. The Tenmia A66 Bluetooth speaker is a powerhouse of audio, designed to bring your music to life with its robust features and captivating sound quality. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing at home, or enjoying outdoor adventures, this speaker promises an unforgettable listening experience. With its 3-speaker configuration delivering a whopping 30 watts of power, the A66 Bluetooth speaker unleashes a powerful stereo sound that fills any space. The inclusion of a passive subwoofer and a unique loudspeaker cavity structure ensures premium acoustic sound with minimal distortion, offering super bass that resonates with less than 1% total harmonic distortion. The A66 speaker effortlessly connects to a wide range of devices through its robust 4.2 Bluetooth chip. Enjoy seamless wireless connectivity with smartphones and tablets for continuous sound in any situation. Additionally, the speaker offers a wired connection option through its 3.5mm audio jack, allowing you to link up with PCs, TVs, and other non-Bluetooth devices. Number 4. Anker Soundcore Mini. The Anker Soundcore Mini Bluetooth mini speaker with FM radio is a true marvel in the world of portable audio. Combining a compact design with superior performance, this speaker is a powerful source that will enhance your music experience wherever you go. Despite its small size, this speaker packs a punch. The advanced 5-watt speaker and passive subwoofer deliver powerful sound with strong bass, ensuring that your music comes through crisp and clear. One of the outstanding features of the Anker Soundcore Mini is its versatility. It supports FM radio, micro SD memory cards, giving you the freedom to play your favorite tracks or listen to the news without relying on a connected device. Additionally, the O capability provides even more audio options, ensuring that you are never without music. Thanks to Bluetooth 4.0 technology, connecting your devices to this speaker is a breeze. A 66-foot connection range means you can keep your phone or tablet with you while the speaker works its magic. Say goodbye to the limitations of wired connections. Number 5. Supnu A21 Portable. The Supnu A21 is not your ordinary portable Bluetooth speaker. It boasts a formidable audio setup, featuring double bass and double tweeters along with the rear heavy bass guide tube. With a total power output of 60 watts, this speaker delivers an immersive audio experience that makes you feel like you're at a live concert. One of the standout features of the A21 is its mesmerizing LED lights that dance to the rhythm of your music. The flashing LED lights create a dynamic and visually engaging music experience. For those extended dance parties or outdoor celebrations, the A21 is equipped with four 2000 mAh batteries, totaling 8000 mAh. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the A21 offers quick and stable connections to various Bluetooth-enabled devices, including smartphones. With a range of up to 100 feet, it's perfect for outdoor picnics and camping trips. Additionally, the 3.5mm audio aux cable provides a wired connection option for devices without Bluetooth, such as MP3 players, PCs, and TVs.